Now at this point we're going to have to start grating our cheese. You can actually buy pre-shredded cheese if you'd like, but there's really nothing like the fresh taste of grated cheese. You can also hand grate it if you wish, but right now we're going to use a food processor. So what we're going to do is just cut it into smaller pieces and throw it in the processor and just plunge it down there. Make sure to get every single piece. I mean, if you really don't want to make the 2 cups, you can always make more. Really, cheese. I love cheese, so I can eat it all day. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and start the milk boiling. We're going to pour that in a pot and actually put that to the side. It's a couple of steps away, but we're going to need to have warm milk for when that happens. Now we're going to go ahead and put the remaining 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pot and go ahead and get that melted. At this point we're going to add a little bit of flour. This is going to be the base for our roux. So add some flour a little bit at a time and just stir that in there. You don't want to put too much or it'll start to clump. So just add a little bit at a time and a little bit at a time. Wait for it to disintegrate and then add a little bit more. We're going to stir until all the flour is gone and there's no more lumps.